Now then, Team BOSH, welcome to BOSH TV. We are here with the Happy Pear for a takeover.
Welcome! So today we're cooking for you vegan steak. It's from our new book. It's next level, takes 40 minutes.
And you will not believe this is made with vegetables. Here we go!
Let's do this.
Okay, so first step, we've got a food processor. We're gonna add in chickpeas, nutritional yeast, smoked paprika, garlic powder, salt, tamari, tomato puree, mustard and black pepper. We've also got 100 ml of veg stock. We're gonna blend that until it's nice and smooth. Next step, we're gonna take that out. We're gonna pour that into the bowl with the Vital Wheat gluten.
Dave, what's Vital Wheat gluten? That sounds like a weird ingredient.
You'll get it in most health food stores. It's essential to this thing. It binds it, it holds the steak together, and it makes vegan steak possible. And we're gonna need this. This is very important. We wanna knead this for about 2 minutes. This will bring out the gluten and hold and bind the whole thing together.
Wash your hands and just get stuck in there. This is a really important part. What you're doing is developing more gluten, bringing it together, and ensuring you have a meaty tasting steak.
So next thing, we're gonna take the dough out of the bowl. We're gonna put it out on the table. We're gonna flatten it out. We're gonna chop it into 6 even, roughly slices. These are gonna be our 6 individual steaks.
We're gonna take our tin foil, cover them in tin foil, put them in the steamer. We're gonna steam them for
20 minutes.
boom.
Okay, so steaks have been steaming for 20 minutes. We're now gonna simply remove them and leave them cool for 5 minutes.
After that, we're gonna mix our marinade. In our marinade, we have tamari, which is bringing that wonderful umami flavor. Next, we have smoked paprika, bringing that wonderful smoky oxtail note. And finally, a bit of maple syrup to encourage caramelization.
We're gonna mix that all together, and now we're gonna marinate our steaks in it. Just ensure to turn them over a number of times until it's nicely covered. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in our pan. Add your steak, turn it a couple of times until it starts to char.
And then look at that. Look how meaty that is. That is so grizzly.
It's so substantial and meaty, you could fool any carnivore.
Like genuinely, that is just...
That is serious. Okay, so there you have it, vegan steak from our brand new cookbook out now. Let's check what the BOSH lads think.
Here we go. Come on, Henri and Ian.
Okay, Eno, there you go. Vegan steak.
Looks good.
Super meaty looking, isn't it?
Oh my goodness me. The texture's ridiculous. It's amazing.
Vegetables.
Yeah.
Dudes, if you like this video, come over to our YouTube channel. We've done a BOSH Happy Pear takeover where the lads have cooked on our channel.
So there you have it. BOSH Happy Pear.